So this is a workbench interface you are already familiar with. We'll take a static structural from toolbox and we'll drag and drop to the project schematic window. Let's make a 2D geometry first. So I'll click on geometry, I'll right click and we'll say property. So this property schematic will appear here. In that, make sure that the analysis type is changed to 2D. Generally, students forget to change the analysis type and they have to redo the analysis, as plane strain option is not available to select in 3D. So now ANSYS knows, and it will give you the options of 2D cases: plane strain, plane stress, or axisymmetry, whichever you want to do. So let's make first geometry. We'll right click on geometry and we'll say new space claim geometry. It's starting the space claim. So you know this interface already from past few sessions. We'll select a new sketch plane from bottom toolbar and we'll click on XY plane. We'll say plan view and I go to the design, sketch, line. We'll snapping to the curve center on a grid and I will draw first vertical line. I will press space bar and will type 20. I'll move horizontally. We'll put press bar and we'll type 30. Then I will join to the first point. So now my sketch is ready. I will press escape and will return to 3D mode. So this is the surface which we are going to analyze. So geometry is done. Let's go to the file and say exit space claim. Before that, just remember that in space claim option you can select units. So geometry is done. Let's check the engineering data then. Double click on engineering data. By default, material structural steel is available. We'll click on that as our material is also structural steel. I will change the Young's modulus. In problem it is given as a 210 gigapascal. That's 2.1 E11 and Poisson's ratio is 0.3 only. So my material data is also ready. I will just close the engineering data tab. We'll double click on model now for meshing and other options. Before that, I will just save this. So in next video, we'll see the model setup solution and the results.